Now, here's how you can show a Telegram message on a Notion on iPhone. So essentially, if you have the Telegram app downloaded on your device, you might be using it normally, everything should be fine. And let's say you get inside in here and you have like videos playing or, some text or other files, right? Are perhaps going to be sent in a group which you are subscribed to, right? Whatever it might be. And if you want to actually save that into Notion, it's pretty simple to do because you can just hold down on this page. If it's a text or some kind of, just typed stuff, you can just copy and just paste it into your Notion page like that. So you can just click on paste, right? And it's going to be paste right here. However, for more complex, like a video or like a different file, you're going to click on this arrow button right here for sharing. So you're going to click on share. And right now at first it tries to like prompt you to use Telegram to share it to like a different user, but you want to click on share once again. And now you get to this view, the classic iOS sharing sheet where you have the airdrop and all of the other things in here, but one of them should be Notion. So when you click on Notion, you can choose where exactly we're going to put it. So I don't know, like random, this page, it's going to start like a new page. So it's going to be a sub page of this like page. So we're going to name this one like Telegram, right? Just for the sake of this video. So we're going to click on save. And after everything is done, you actually get a notification. So we can move inside and we have a Telegram, which is nested in this like page. And once it loads up, obviously we have this like file in here. Perhaps it may not be supported because of the format. So there are some things which, you can go deeper into it, but that's the basic way how you can save stuff from Telegram to Notion. Also, one more thing, when you are in this page and if you cannot see Notion, just scroll through all of these apps and tap on more, and you essentially want to make sure that Notion is part of the list, right? So you can like edit them, and perhaps Notion is toggled off, so you want to make sure that it is actually there for you to use it. So that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed it and found it useful. Subscribe to Foxtecc so you never miss videos like these, and I'll see you in the next one.